Finn the fox stands by the river. The water rushes fast and loud over the stones. Finn wants to cross the river, but the stepping stones look far apart and very wobbly. Finn puts one paw forward, then he pulls it back. His heart beats thump, thump, thump inside. The river sparkles in the sun. It looks so pretty, but it also feels so big and scary to Finn. Barnaby the bear comes to the river. "Are you okay, Finn?" he asks gently. "I want to cross, but I feel scared," Finn whispers. His yellow scarf trembles in the breeze. Barnaby sits down beside Finn. "Being scared is okay. I will stay right here with you." Finn takes one small step. Splash! His paw touches the first stone. It is not so wobbly after all. Barnaby walks beside him. "You are doing it, Finn, one step at a time." He cheers softly. Step, splash, step, splash. Finn moves from stone to stone. His heart feels lighter and lighter now. Finn reaches the other side. His paws land on soft green grass. He did it. He really did it. "I crossed the river," Finn shouts. His tail wags and wags. He feels so brave inside his heart. Barnaby gives Finn a warm bear hug. "You were very brave. I always knew you could do it." Finn looks back at the river from the hilltop. It still sparkles, but now it looks friendly, not scary. The sky glows soft purple and gold. Finn's heart is full. He found his courage today. Finn learned that being brave means trying even when you feel scared. When were you brave?